Hello everyone, welcome to Raghav EduTech YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about daily current affairs on 19 January 2026. First question is, which international organization recently increased India's GDP growth forecast for year 2025 and 2026 to 7.3%? Options: Option A, World Bank. Option B, International Monetary Fund. Option C, ASEAN Development Bank. Option D, WTO. Correct answer is option B, International Monetary Fund. Next question. PM Narendra Modi recently flagged off India's first sleeper Vande Bharat train. Which two cities does it connect? Options: Option A, New Delhi and Varanasi. Option B, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Option C, Howrah and Kamakya. Option D, Chennai and Bengaluru. The correct answer is option C, Howrah and Kamakya. Next question. Board of Peace, a US led initiative for the redevelopment of Gaza, was in the news on January 19. Who has been invited to join this board by the US President? Options: Option A, Vladimir Putin. Option B, Narendra Modi. Option C, Rishi Sunak. Option D, Emmanuel Macron. The correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Next question. The coconut root wilt disease has been spreading rapidly across which major coconut growing states? Options: Option A, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Option B, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Option C, Maharashtra, Goa and Gujarat. Option D, Karnataka, Telangana and Kerala. The correct answer is option A, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next question. Which Indian body was recently honored with the Scotch Award 2025 for its cell broadcast solution? Options: Option A, ISRO. Option B, C. Option C, DRDO. Option D, BSNL. Correct answer is option C, C. Center for Development of Telematics. Next question. The 2026 Republic Day Parade will feature a battle array display for the first time. What is the theme for this year's parade? Options: Vikasit Bharat 2047. Option B, 150 years of Vande Mataram. Option C, Nari Shakti. Option D, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Correct answer is option B, 150 years of Vande Mataram. Next question. Where was the state of the art medium caliber ammunition manufacturing facility recently inaugurated by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh? Options: Option A, Pune. Option B, Bengaluru. Option C, Nagpur. Option D, Lucknow. Correct answer is option C, Nagpur. Next question. India's first open sea marine fish farming project was recently launched in which region? Options: Option A, Bay of Bengal. Option B, Arabian Sea. Option C, Andaman Sea. Option D, Gulf of Kutch. Correct answer is option C, Andaman Sea. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission? Options: Option A, Praveen Vasishta. Option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Option C, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Option D, Alok Kumar. Correct answer is option A, Praveen Vasishta. Next question. India and which country recently signed a joint declaration of intent on telecommunications cooperation? Options: Option A, USA. Option B, Japan. Option C, Germany. Option D, France. Correct answer is option C, Germany. Next question. The biennial Samakka Saralamma Jatara, one of the world's largest tribal festivals, is scheduled to begin on January 28, 2026. In which state? Options: Option A, Odisha. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Telangana. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Telangana. Next question. A rare microscopic crustacean named India Fonte bijoi was recently discovered in which ecosystem? Options: Option A, Sundarban mangroves. Option B, Kavaratti Lagoon, Lakshadweep. Option C, Chilka Lake. Option D, Vembanad Lake. Correct answer is option B, Kavaratti Lagoon, Lakshadweep. Next question. Which mountain recently saw a controlled avalanche carried out by scientists to safety release accumulated snow? Option A, Mount Everest. Option B, Mount Elbrus. Option C, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option D, Nanda Devi. Correct answer is option B, Mount Elbrus. Next question. Who is the current chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI as of January 2026? Options: Option A, Madhabi Puri Bach. Option B, Tuhin Kantapande. Option C, Ajay Tyagi. Option D, Shakti Kant Das. Correct answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Next question. One which date is the foundation day of the Lokpal of India observed? Options: Option A, January 12. Option B, January 15. Option C, January 16. Option D, January 19. Correct answer is option C, January 16. Next question. Which Indian state has been selected to host the world's largest green ammonia complex at Kakinada? Options: Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Odisha. Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. According to the WEF Global Risks Report 2026, which risk is identified as the biggest for India in the coming year? Option A, pandemic. Option B, geo-economic confrontation. Option C, cyber warfare. Option D, misinformation and disinformation. Correct answer is option B, geo-economic confrontation. Next question. The Tyler Prize, often called the Nobel Prize for the Environment, was recently awarded to Toby Kyries for her work on what? Option A, solar energy. Option B, hidden fungal networks. Option C, plastic eating bacteria. Option D, Asian desalinization. The correct answer is option B, hidden fungal networks, mycelium. Next question. Which city in the Philippines saw over 5 million people gather on January 18, 19 to celebrate the Feast of Santo Nino? Options: Option A, Manila. Option B, Cebu City. Option C, Davao. Option D, Quezon City. Correct answer is option B, Cebu City. Next question. Jejuniopis Valmiki, a recently discovered limb blaze, amphibian is endemic to which region? Option A, Northern Western Ghats. Option B, Eastern Himalayas. Option C, Nilagiri Hills. Option D, Aravali Range. Correct answer is option A, Northern Western Ghats. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Raghav EduTech. Thank you.